All right, back on the bench, we have that Uniden Trucker PTC 104, and it's back on here so we can do the final service to it and get this back to the customer. So yeah, what we're going to be doing is I'm not sure what I mentioned in the other video, but so basically this is going to be a full service. If you'll remember, this radio came in with the Turner Sidekick and also the Cobra 29 LTD. Yeah, so this is all from the same customer. But so basically, he saw how well the meter came out on his other radios, so we'll be doing the same bright white LED in both these meters. And I think it will, he said it as well, probably complement the green channel display as well. Pretty good. So, yeah. And then recap and alignment. So I went through all the caps, made sure that I had all the values in stock. Probably be upgrading some of the voltages on some of these caps, and yeah, that's when you look at this radio, it's actually not too bad to cap. You know, they're pretty spaced out evenly across the board. There's a couple of areas here where there's a, you know, just around there on the PLL, but that's nothing. I mean, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4 that are kind of bunched up there, but some radios, they're just jam-packed. But this one here is not too bad to do. So I have all the caps in stock. Again, with these Uniden radios, it's tough finding you know, information, service information, but fortunately for this particular unit, I was able to find you know, some alignment info and you know, some schematics. I don't think I'll be needing it, but at least it is available for this radio and alignment procedure. So yeah, let me let me get this going here. I'll get this recapped. I'll do an alignment, then we'll do a I'll get the meters replaced, the meter lights replaced, the meter fixed, the one that's sticking, and yeah, that's about it. And then we'll do a sensitivity test. We'll do the usual sensitivity test, power test, and then we'll do some channel surfing when it's done. All right, guys, let me get this recapped and do the rest. Stand by. All right, well, see, there's some differences here. Got both meters. Both meters are working properly, adjusted right. Bright white LED in each one of them. It's looking a lot better. Recapped the whole radio, obviously, which wasn't too hard. This was probably one of the easier radios I've done in a long time. On another note, finally put alligator clips on my Sonata. Finally. What else? Yeah, did a full transceiver alignment. Receiving spot on. Transmitting super good. This Toshiba 2075 final that you see here, let me tell you, this thing's impressive. The amount of swing you get from it. So yeah, it's comparable, if you know, not even possibly even better than a 1969. I haven't looked at the data sheet yet. Something I might go do after I do this clip here and see exactly you know, specs on that. But let me tell you, it's impressive final. Yeah, so the whole radio's recapped. All the switches I cleaned with deoxit. And yeah, it's basically about it. Doing really well. So I got it hooked up to the signal generator. Let's do a receive test with the Sonata, see its sensitivity. I can tell you right now it's minus 110 and minus 111. So we're at minus 111 dBm at 12 dB of synad. So let's sorry for the tone as usual. So we're on 19. Okay. Alright, not bad. Spot on. Probably a couple dB better than some other radios, so we're doing well. What else? I think that's about it. Not much else left to do to this, other than get the speaker soldered back on, and let's do some channel surfing. And yeah, that's about it. So let me get these cases back on and stand by. Alright, it's all back together. Cleaned up as best as I could. Cleaned up all the knobs. Got rid of some of the gunk that was on them. Yeah, just basically cleaned up as best I could all around. Try to make it look as presentable as possible. Yeah, I think it's looking good. Good user quality radio. It's not perfect, but definitely, you know, looking good. Yeah, I'd consider this user quality radio. And let's do some channel surfing. See what's going on out there. Skip really hasn't been great lately. I'm not sure why. Today's the first sunny day we've had in a long time, but seems like Skip still isn't rolling. But let's see what's out there. Maybe somebody will give us a radio check off the highway. Well, what is it? I'm probably like I'd say maybe 4 miles away from a major highway. So let's see what's going on. Yeah, breaker. Somebody give me a radio check? Somebody give me a radio check, please. Just wondering how this Uniden truck is sounding on my workbench here. Now I'm standing by. Yeah, breaker. Somebody give me a radio check? Anybody, radio check, please. Just wondering how this Uniden truck is sounding on my workbench. Thanks, standing by. Yeah, it's kind of crappy. Tried. Alright guys, that's about it. Sorry about the glare. Sun's coming in finally through the window. But yeah, I think it's looking good. Thanks for watching.